When to write multiple health ailments or multiple health problems or issues in the introduction of an OET letter. This is a common topic of confusion that exists in many candidates. So, through this video, we are going to learn certain steps. By following those steps, you can solve that confusion. Step number 1. When you're getting a case note, you have to check who's going to be the reader of your letter. Step number 2. The discharge plan of your case note should consist of follow-up plan or management plan for multiple health conditions. Step number 3, and the most important aspect is you have to ensure the reader of your letter will be able to manage all this plan. For example, the discharge plan says you need to monitor the blood glucose level of the patient, you need to provide daily dressing at the surgical site, at the same time you have to encourage the patient to do exercise. And you are writing this letter to a diabetic specialist. Among these 3 tasks, the diabetic specialist or the reader of our letter will be able to manage the very first one, that is monitoring of blood glucose level. On the other hand, the other 2 tasks won't be able to manage by our reader. On this occasion, you won't be able to write multiple health ailments or multiple health problem as the introduction. On the other hand, we are writing a letter to a community health nurse. So you have to analyze whether the community health nurse is able to manage the blood glucose level or monitor the blood glucose level. Will the community nurse be able to provide daily dressing at the surgical site, and at the same time the same reader will be able to encourage the patient to do the exercise. So when we are analyzing the situation, our reader, that is community health nurse, is able to manage all the plan that we have discussed just now. That is, this person will be able to monitor the blood glucose level, will be able to provide daily dressing, at the same time will encourage the patient to do exercise as well. So on such occasion, you can write multiple health ailments or problems in the introduction of a letter. So I hope now you got a clarification regarding when and where to use multiple health ailments in the introduction of a letter. So for more interesting videos like this, follow Tiju's Academy. Urapanu.